This is the story of how a small $5 mistake turned into a $500 disaster. And trust me, this can happen to anyone living in the United States. Mark was like many people: busy schedule, long work hours, bills coming from every direction. He had a small store credit card he rarely used. The balance was tiny, and he always paid on time. But one month, he missed a notification. The minimum payment due was just $5. Mark looked at it later and thought, it's only $5. I'll pay it when I get time. He didn't realize that in the US financial system, even a tiny amount can create a huge problem. A few days passed, and suddenly he saw a late fee added to his balance. Still, he ignored it. He told himself he would catch up next week. But while he waited, the interest kept growing, and something else happened behind the scenes. His credit score dropped. Mark didn't think much about it until he went to the dealership to buy a car. He picked a used car, negotiated the price, and everything was going fine. But when the dealer ran his credit report, the interest rate they offered him was much higher than he expected. Mark was confused and asked why. The finance manager said, "Your credit score dropped recently. That's why your loan rate is higher." That one missed $5 payment caused his score to fall, and because of the lower score, he ended up paying a much higher interest rate on the car loan. At first, he thought maybe it wouldn't matter, but when he calculated the numbers later, he realized something shocking. Over the next 12 months, the extra interest he was paying because of that lower credit score added up to more than $500. $500, all because he didn't pay $5 on time. That day, Mark finally understood a lesson many people learned the hard way. In the United States, small financial mistakes do not stay small. A missed payment, even a tiny one, can raise interest rates, lower credit scores, and cost you real money. After this experience, Mark changed everything. He set up automatic payments, reminders, alerts, anything to make sure he never missed another minimum payment again. And his message to others is simple: don't ignore small amounts. In America, the system doesn't care if it's $5 or 5,000. A missed payment is a missed payment. So the next time your phone reminds you of a bill, even a tiny one, don't delay, because a few dollars today can save you hundreds in the future.